So today I'm targeting Mebaru, the black rockfish. It's just the beginning of the season of Mebaru. You know, this sabiki rig is super thin. It's got only 6 pounds or something. Mebaru is one of the small rockfish that we usually target in the winter. The average size we catch is around 10 to 12 inches, but they're really tasty. That's something I've had from my childhood. They're pretty common fish to eat in Japan, so I'm gonna catch and cook that fish today. Hey, I got something here, but it doesn't seem like Mebaru. It's a bit heavier. To get really careful dealing with the fish, because the line I'm using today is only 6 pound test. It's really easy to break. Wow, what a unique guest. It's a type of filefish. It's called umazurahagi. It's also a delicious fish with big liver in it. Actually, the best fishing season for Mebaru hasn't started yet. They usually get active when the water temperature is around 10 degrees Celsius. Today it's got only 8 or something. Maybe it's too cold. But once their season has started, they school at many of fishing wrecks in this area, around 80 to 120 feet deep, and they can be caught 3 or sometimes 4 fish at the same time on sabiki. But this is only what I got today. Early season Mebaru. I got something that I want to show you through this episode. It's one of the popular home cooking recipe using this fish, simmering the fish with soy sauce and other Japanese standard seasoning. So this is one of the types of kawahagi. I don't know how it tastes. Let's try. So peel off the skin first. The skin of this fish has 2 layers, and I'm peeling off the top skin right now. It feels really nice, by the way. Maybe when you are stressed out, I recommend you do this. This might comfort you. It looks like it's got a huge liver in it. Okay. Salt. Making ice salt water to wash the liver. So how can I break it? Here. It's hard. And you can break the head by hand and break it. This feels also nice. Why don't you try it when you're stressed out? Oh my god. It's got a huge liver in it. It's completely edible. This is the most delicious part of this type of fish. Put it in salt water. And I'm gonna use this head for miso soup. Okay, let's fillet this fish. Just normally. Probably as for today, I'm gonna use only half of it. And the other half, I'm gonna put it in the fridge. It's got center bone here. So I'm gonna divide it into. So I separated the center bones. So let's peel off the skin. This is the inner skin that tastes a little too chewy when you eat for sashimi, so better to remove it. But when you heat it, you just leave the skin on. and slice it for sashimi. I'm doing it really thin because it's still really fresh, so the meat can be still hard. I think this one's better. Looks good. Okay, mixed with soy sauce and a little bit of mirin. This is called kimojoyu, fish liver mixed with soy sauce. And eat those sashimi with this liver paste. I'm eating raw because this is the first day. I just caught this fish this morning and gave it ikejime, so that's why I can eat raw. But next day you have to heat it before eating this liver. And the next dish, I'm gonna make miso shiru, the miso soup. This is the fish head from umazurahagi, used for sashimi. Salt and a bit of sake. This is a dashi soup, just a little bit to support the taste. Okay, let's take out the head and add some vegetables to miso soup. Fried tofu. And finally add some miso in it. Probably this much. Okay, let's taste it. Okay, perfect. Maybe better to add some scallion color wise, you know. Maybe need some green to add a little bit of accent. Okay, this is pure Japanese miso soup. So here comes the main dish for tonight using this early season Mebaru. Okay, for another dish, this is Mebaru, the black rockfish. I'm gonna simmer this fish with soy sauce and other Japanese standard ingredients. Okay, get it and got it. And remove all the unnecessary fins and salt it. And leave it for 10 minutes or so. The ginger. A few strips of ginger. Sake, mirin. And boil it. Soy sauce. Same amount. Add sake and mirin. And same amount of water. And add a little bit of dashi soup. Sugar. Now simmer the fish with ginger and cover it, and it takes about 10 minutes. It's getting cooked. Now it's done, simmered Mebaru. That's what most Japanese people have eaten from their childhood. Snapper head, salad, yellowtail marinade, and sashimi of filefish with kimojoyu, the liver paste, and Mebaru no nitsuke, simmered rockfish with soy sauce, sake, mirin, and sugar. It's a very standard Japanese recipe. Okay, let's have them. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Mm.